Reference is a way how we can modify the value of a variable. So for example, in this case, let's say we are creating a variable num integer and we want to modify its value. So in our modify function, so what we do is we are passing the reference to our initial variable. So which means that if we are, this x is pointing to our num, to our original value. If we are changing the value of x to 10, so our original value also will be changed. If we are printing this num here, the value of it 10. So in comparison, let's say that in this case we are the same way, we are creating a variable num and we are modifying it, but instead of passing a reference, which means that the pointer to the original variable, we are passing a copy of it. So in this case, if we are setting the value of x to 10, we are only setting the value of the copy to 10. So if we are printing num, it will print 5.